Hey gang, Poppy here. This is hashtag Stay Home 2020 for March 28th in the year of perfect vision and mass death from virus. Keep your nutrition up. This one will keep your alcohol level up. Fight them nasty germs. Since this is a medical self-help video, I'm going to sit this right here. Like I said, keep your nutrition up. Here we got chicken nuggets. It's not quite, it's a little bit bigger than popcorn and not quite fillets. And anyway. If you're not hungry, you don't want to eat, you haven't eaten in a couple days, force yourself. Go in the pantry. See that can of chicken broth? Pop that baby open. Warm it or not, I don't care. It's sterile. And it's all the things of chicken soup, but no lumps if it comes back up. Might be important. Like I said, kill them germs. I'm talking about hand sanitizer made from alcohol. So, what was the old Irish joke? Well, I'll rot my pipes. Well, no one's watching, so I can get away with that. There was an old Irish joke. Drink beer and you'll rot your pipes. Drink whiskey and you won't. Of course, whiskey costs a lot more, so less chance to rot the pipes. Rice-a-roni, sort of skin color. You know. You're wondering why the Guinness? Wife had to go out and get food. I said, oh, you don't have to get food? Oh, give me some beer. Okay. Any kind you can, babe. Any kind you can. I'll even drink. Regal Select. If I got it. Only thing on the shelves. $10 a 6-pack. But it's a damn good 6-pack. Oh, yeah. Whereas this is a comedic presentation, and the beverage is organic too. The nutrition. I mean, you wouldn't have your grandpa choking down his chicken nuggets and rice-a-roni dry, would you? Good stuff, Maynard.
Rinse it out when you put milk in my measuring cup, dipstick. Ugh.
Some more hints. Stuff comes in the mail. UPS, FedEx.
Yeah.
Put your gloves on. Don't touch it with your bare hands. Unless you absolutely have to. Open the box. Put the stuff on the table. Throw the box outside.
Yeah, the wife's in your bedroom.
I'm recording, sweetheart.
Well, I'll ask you a question. If you're going to tell everybody that, why don't you practice what you preach?
I haven't touched it yet.
Yeah, you did.
No.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Anyway, as soon as you throw the box outside, wash your hands. Sterilize them babies.
Oh, it's sterilized cardboard is fire.
We're talking about the hands. Anyway, then you can touch the stuff that was in the box. Open them boxes, throw them out. Wash your hands again. Now you can fondle your new electronic device. Hope it didn't come from China. Left there around December.
Where my pipe came from.
You really want me to have to edit a bunch of stuff out, don't you? Important thing. While you're staying home because of the coronavirus, give your loved ones a lot of latitude.
Yeah, patience.
I know you want to go, but don't.
So the bitch is getting squashed. We'll use it for a shower. Later, after the
Oh, that's so good. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Not you, him. You're gonna eavesdrop, get the whole conversation.
Yeah. Don't burglarize the conversation and necessarily know what you're stealing. Yeah.
Close the door.
Love you. Yeah, I got no manners. What the hell? I'm here. No one can smell it. Anyway, give your loved ones a lot of latitude. She can't go to bingo. He can't go to the shop. Why? Well, the shop's closed. The boss got it. His wife got it. You know, anyway, you know. Anyway, my wife reports some things here in Clear Lake, California. Yeah, here in Clear Lake, California, the parks have the black and white police tape. Keep the hell out. They mean it. They will drag you out forcibly. price gouging in the stores. Yeah. Restaurants can't let people in to sit down and eat. Price gouging there too. Oh no, we can't give you that. That's something we have to have a lot of people sitting their ass in the place and we can make it. Yeah. Think about it real hard. They're talking about doctors may have to triage people. I can save this guy, but I can't save this lady. Already been done by the billionaires running America. Think about it. Real hard. Old. Poor. Poor period. Going to die. You want to know why? Because they're not contributing to the bottom line of your average billionaire. And you know how it is with billionaires. Gotta justify the existence by serving their profit, pleasure, or personal power. That's why a lot of people are going to die in America that don't need to. Well, I'm at 11:55. I'm going to go.